Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing ADMath for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. Students, in last lecture we did question number 10 from exercise 14.4 and the topic of this exercise is the sum of all concepts of chapter number 12 and exercise 14.1 to 14.3. All concepts like product rules of derivatives, quotient rule of derivative, derivative of exponential functions, derivatives of ln function, derivatives of trigonometric functions, maximum points, minimum points, stationary points. So all concepts are used in this exercise. Today we are going to do question number 11, a very important question. But before I start this question, I would suggest all those students who are watching my lecture first time, kindly go to my playlist. There is a folder, name is ADMath. Watch previous lectures of this exercise and also previous lectures of chapter number 12. After watching previous lectures, you will be able to do this question and all remaining questions of exercise 14.4. So let's start question number 11. You can see on your screen, find the coordinates of the stationary points on these curves and determine their nature. Part A, y equals to x e power x upon 2. So in order to find stationary points, first we have to find the derivatives. How to find the derivative of this function? We have to use the product rule, that is u into v formula. U is x and v is x e power x upon 2. So u times derivative of v, derivative of v is e power x upon 2 into derivative of x upon 2, that is 1 upon 2, plus e power x upon 2 derivative of v, derivative of x, which is 1. Now take common e power x upon 2 from both, so 1 upon 2 x plus 1, this is the factorization. The next step is replace dy by dx by 0. So e power x upon 2 is equals to 0 and 1 upon 2 x plus 1 is equals to 0. Students, e power x upon 2 is equals to 0 is undefined, because if we want to find the value of x, we must take ln on both sides. Ln e x upon 2 is equals to ln 0. If you find the value of ln 0 from your scientific calculator, you will see math error. It means undefined. Therefore, we are unable to find the value of x from e power x upon 2 is equals to 0. The second factor which we have, 1 upon 2 x plus 1 is equals to 0. 1 upon 2 x, shift plus 1 on other side, it is minus 1. X is equals to 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. So this is the value. Now put this value x is equals to minus 2 in our question. Our question is y is equals to x e power x upon 2. So y is equals to x is minus 2, e power minus 2 upon 2, 2 cancel by 2, e power minus 1. Therefore, stationary points are x is minus 2 and y is minus 2 e power minus 1. This is our stationary points. So first requirement has fulfilled. The second requirement is to determine their nature. Students, in order to find the nature of these stationary points, we must find the second derivative. Our first derivative is dy by dx is equals to ex upon 2, 1 upon 2x plus 1. So our second derivative is d square y by dx square is equals to, we have to use product rule again because still two functions are multiply. U is e power x upon 2 and v is 1 upon 2x plus 1. So u times derivative of v, 1 upon 2x plus 1 derivative is 1 upon 2 plus v times derivative of u. Derivative of u is e power x upon 2 is e power x upon 2 dot, and x upon 2 derivative is 1 upon 2. Now take e power x upon 2 common from the whole expression. So 1 upon 2 plus, and this also you can take common 1 upon 2 because 1 upon 2 is common in both the terms. So e power x upon 2 into 1 upon 2 is common. 1 plus 1 upon 2x plus 1. This is the factorization, and e power x upon 2 dot 1 upon 2, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 upon 2x. Now satisfy this second derivative by the stationary points. So d square y by dx square, because we have only x in our second derivative answers, so just satisfy this by x is equals to minus 2. So e power x upon 2 minus 2 upon 2 dot 1 upon 2, 2 plus 1 upon 2, x is minus 2. So minus 2 cancel by plus 2, e power minus 1 dot 1 upon 2. This 2 cancel by this 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, or you can write this 1 upon 2 e ki power 1. Students, if you find the value of 1 upon 2 e ki power 1 from your scientific calculator, you will get the positive value. Positive value means greater than 0, and you know, if the answer of second derivative is positive, then our stationary points must be minimum. Hence minus 2 e power minus 1 is a minimum. We have to write is minimum. This is our final answer of part A. Hope you completely understand this part A. Our stationary points are minus 2, minus 2 e minus 1, and the nature of this stationary point is minimum. Now move to part B. Part B is y is equals to x square e power 2x. Again, first we have to find the derivative. We will use u into v formula. U dot e2x derivative is e2x into 2 plus e2x derivative of x square is 2x. Again we have to take common from both the expression is 2x e power 2x. So answer is x plus 1. Answer is x plus 1. Now replace this derivative by 0. So we have 2x e power 2x is equals to 0 and x plus 1 is equals to 0. From here, look at this carefully. What I told you in previous part, e power 2x does not equals to 0 because for finding the value of x with the help of e power 2x, we have to take ln on both sides, and ln 0 is undefined. Therefore, we have only 2x is equals to 0 and x plus 1 is equals to 0. From here we have x is equals to 0 and x is equals to minus 1. So we have two values of x. Obviously we should have two values of y. Put one by one in the question. X square e2x. First put x is equals to 0. 0 square into e power 2 into 0. Something multiplied by 0 is always 0. Therefore, our first stationary point is x is 0 and y is 0. This is our first stationary point. Second, again take the question. Y is equals to x square e power 2x. This time we have to take minus 1. So minus 1 square e power 2 into minus 1. Minus 1 square is plus and e power 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Therefore, the second stationary point is minus 1 comma e power minus 2. So these are two stationary points. One is 0 0 and second is minus 1 comma e power minus 2. Now the second step is to find the nature of these two stationary points. In order to find the nature of these stationary points, we must find the second derivative. So take the answer of dy by dx. 2x e power 2x x plus 1. First, shift this x inside the bracket, otherwise we will use product rule two times. Shift this x on inside the small bracket. So 2 e power 2x x into x, x square, x 1 is x. Now find the second derivative. This time you have to use u into v formula. U is e2x and v is ex square plus 1. So d square y by dx square, 2 is still outside. u times derivative of x square plus 1, 2x, and x square plus 1 derivative of e2x, derivative of e2x into 2. You must have good command of derivatives, otherwise you are unable to do this exercise. Now take 2e2x outside. So 2 2s are 4 e2x. What is remaining? X plus x square plus 1. Now check the nature. Our first stationary point is 0 0. So d square y by dx square at x is equals to 0 is 4 e 2 multiplied by 0, then 0 plus 0 square plus 1. Four e2 into 0 is e0. 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1. Something to the power 0 is always 1. So 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, and 4 is greater than 0. Therefore 0 0 is what? Minimum. Because if the second derivative answer is positive, then the nature is stationary points. The nature is, minimum. Now take the second derivative answer again. D square y by dx square is equals to 4e2x into x plus x square plus 1. This time you have to satisfy the value of x is equals to minus 1. This is second stationary point. So d square y by dx square at x is equals to minus 1, 4e2 into minus 1, x is minus 1 plus x square is minus 1 square plus 1. For e 2 into minus 1 minus 2, this plus 1 cancel by minus 1, or minus 1 square is plus 1, 4e minus 2. The answer in the book is maximum, but my answer is minimum. So I will check again. Is there any mistake in second derivative or not? Kindly wait, I am checking few steps of second derivative. The first mistake is when we multiply this x by x, we will get x square, and x by 1 we will get x. This is the first mistake. This should be x. And now e power 2x into 2x plus 1, this should be 2x plus 1, because x square derivative is 2x and x derivative is 1. Similarly, put x over here Now these steps are not correct, so I am rubbing these 4 steps. A small mistake can destroy the whole concept, but no problem, we found the mistake. Start from here. Take 2 e power 2x outside, so remaining is 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 plus x square plus x, 2 e power 2x, 2x plus x is 3x plus x square plus 1. Now satisfy this value of second derivative by x is equals to 0. 2e 2 into 0, 3 into 0 plus 0 square plus 1. 2e 2 into 0 is 0, 3 into 0 0 plus 0 plus 1. Something to the power 0 is 1. So 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1. 2 ones are 2 greater than 0. Hence 0 0 is minimum. Now we will check the second stationary point. Our second derivative is 2 e 2x 3x plus x square plus 1. Satisfy this value by the second stationary point, that is x is equals to minus 1. So 2e 2 into minus 1, 3 into minus 1 plus minus 1 square plus 1. 2e 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, 3 ones are minus 3 plus minus 1 square is plus 1 plus 1. So 2 e minus 2 can be write upon e positive 2, minus 3 plus 1 is plus 2, 2 upon e square, minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1, and 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 upon e square. Obviously this is which less than 0, and it means minus 1 comma e power minus 2 is maximum. So answer in the book is 100% correct, but unfortunately I forgot to multiply x by 1, but found the mistake and correct all the steps. Hope you enjoyed this part, very important according to examination point of view. Move to part C. What is part C? Y equals to E x minus 7x plus 2. Very easy. Find the derivative. Ex derivative is ex, minus 7x derivative is minus 7. Replace dy by dx by 0, e power x minus 7, then 7 is equals to ex. In order to find the value of x, taking ln on both sides, ln and e cancel, so x is equals to ln 7. This is the value of x. Now put this value of x in the given question. Y is equals to ex minus 7x plus 2. Y is equals to ex. X is ln 7 minus 7 dot x. X is ln 7 plus 2. Y is equals to ln and e cancel. 7 minus 7 ln 7 plus 2. Y is equals to 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 minus 7 ln 7. Hence stationary points are x is ln 7 comma y is 9 minus 7 ln 7. This is our stationary point. I repeat again, ln 7 comma 9 minus 7 ln 7. Move to second derivative. The nature of this stationary point. Again, in order to find the nature, we must write the derivative first. That is dy by dx is equals to ex minus 7. Find the second derivative, d square y by dx square. Ex derivative is ex and 7 derivative is 0. Satisfy this second derivative by the value of x, which is ln 7. So ex, x is ln 7, ln and e cancel, 7 is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means minimum. Hence ln 7, our stationary point 9 minus 7 ln 7 is minimum. So a small question, a small part as compared to previous parts A and B. Move to part D. Part D is y equals to 5 e power 2x minus 10x minus 1. So dy by dx 5 e2x is 5 e2x into 2 minus 10x derivative is 10. So 5 2s are 10 e power 2x minus 10. Now replace this value by 0. 10 e 2x minus 10. So 10 is equals to 10 e 2x. 10 cancel by 10. E 2x is equals to 1. Taking ln on both sides, ln and e cancel, 2x. ln 1 you can find with the help of calculator. ln 1 is 0 and 2 must be divided by 0, so it is 0. So this is value of x. Put this value of x in the given question. Y is equals to 5 e 2x minus 10x minus 1. So y is equals to 5 e 2x, x is 0, minus 10 into x is 0, 5 e 2 into 0 is 0, 10 into 0 is 0, minus 1. 5 something to the power 0 is always 1, so it is 5 minus 0 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. Hence stationary point is x is 0, y is 4. Now find the nature. Write the derivative answer. dy by dx is equals to what? 10 e 2x minus 10. Find the second derivative, d square y by d x square. 10 e 2x is e 2x into 2 minus derivative of 10 is 0. Satisfy this value by the value of x, which is 0. d square y by dx square at x is equals to 0 is equals to 10 to the 20 e power 2x. So x is 0, 20 e power 2 into 0 is e power 0, 20 something to the power 0 is 1, 20 dot 1, 20 ones are 20 and 20 is greater than 0. Hence 0,4 is minimum, because greater than 0 means is minimum. So this is the answer of part D. Move to part E. Part E is y is equals to x square minus 8 e power minus x. dy by dx, apply u into v formula. U is x square minus 8 and v is e power minus x. So u times derivative of e minus x, that is e minus x into minus 1, plus e minus x derivative of u x square minus 8 derivative is 2x. So minus 1 minus e power minus x, x square minus 8 plus 2x e minus x. Taking e power minus x is common, so minus into x square minus 8 plus 2x. E power minus x is equals to 0 and minus, because when we find the stationary point we must replace dy by dx by 0. So e power minus x is equals to 0 and minus x square minus 8 plus 2x is equals to 0. This is undefined. I already told you in previous part. So no need to tell again. Multiply this whole quadratic equation by minus 1. So it should be x square minus 2x plus 8 is equals to 0. Factorize it x square minus 4x plus 2x plus 8. So 4 to the 8, but sorry, minus into x square minus minus plus 8. I am sorry, this is my mistake. X must be plus and from here x must be minus. This is my mistake. Taking x is common, x minus 4, 2 is common, x minus 4. So x minus 4, x plus 2 is equals to 0. This implies that x is equals to 4 and minus 2. So these two are the values of x. Now find the value of y. Write the question again. Y is equals to x square minus 8 e power minus x. Put the values one by one. First put x is equals to minus 2. So y is equals to minus 2 square minus 8 e power minus 2 minus into minus 2. Minus 2 square is 4. 4 minus 8 e power minus minus plus 2. So 4 minus 8 is minus 4 e square. So our first stationary point is when x is minus 2, then y is 4 minus 4 e square. Second value is x is equals to 4. Write down the question again. Y is equals to x square minus 8 e power minus x. Now satisfy this equation by x is equals to 4. Y is equals to 4 square minus 8 e power minus 4. 4 square is 16 minus 8 e power minus 4. 16 minus 8 is 8 e power minus 4. Hence, our second stationary point is 4 comma 8 e minus 4. So we have two stationary points, minus 2 comma minus 4 e plus 2, because our answer of first is 4e2. So minus 4e2, this is first, and second is 4 8e minus 4. So these are two stationary points. Now find the nature of these stationary points. In order to find the nature, write the derivative answer again. What is our derivative? E minus x square plus 8 plus 2x dy by dx e minus x into minus x square plus 8 plus 2x. Now find the second derivative, d square y by dx square. We have to use u into v formula. U times derivative of minus x square is minus 2x, derivative of 8 is 0 and derivative of 2x is 2. Now satisfy this value by the first value of x, that is x is equals to minus 2. So e power minus 2 minus 2 dot minus 2 plus 2 e power minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 plus 2 is 6. So 6 upon e square, which is obviously greater than 0. Hence the first stationary point minus 2 minus 4 e2 is minimum. Write down the second derivative again. E minus x minus 2x plus 2. Satisfy this value by 4. X is equals to 4. E power minus 4 minus 2 dot 4 plus 2 minus 2 into 4 is minus 8 plus 2 minus 8 plus 2 is minus 6 upon e power 4, obviously less than 0. Hence the second stationary point 4 8 e minus 4 is maximum. So question is little bit lengthy but very easy. Move to part F. Part F is y equals to x square ln x. Very easy. Find the derivative dy by dx. X square ln x derivative is 1 upon x plus ln x. x square derivative is 2x. X cancel by square, x plus ln x, or 2x multiplied by ln x is 2x ln x. Can take common x, 1 plus 2 ln x. Replace this by 0, x into 1 plus 2 ln x. This implies that x is equals to 0, 1 plus 2 ln x is equals to 0, or 2 ln x is equals to minus 1, or ln x is equals to minus 1 upon 2. Taking e on both sides, so e power ln x is equals to e power minus 1 upon 2. Ln and e cancel, so x is equals to minus 1 upon 2. Now put both the values one by one in the given question. Question is y is equals to x square ln x. First value of x is 0. So 0 square ln 0. You know ln 0 is undefined. Therefore this is not the stationary point. The second value is y is equals to x square. X is minus 1 upon 2 square dot ln x. X is e power minus 1 upon 2. So power to the power is multiplied 2 into minus 1 upon 2. 2 cancel by 2 is minus 1, and dot ln and e cancel is minus 1 upon 2. So minus 1 upon 2 e power minus half is the value of y. Therefore we have only one stationary point, which is x is equals to e power minus half, comma y is minus 1 upon 2 e power minus 1. Now find the nature. In order to find the nature, write the derivative answer again, x into 1 plus 2 ln x. In order to find the second derivative, apply u into v formula. U times derivative of 1 plus 2 ln x, derivative of 1 is 0. 2 ln x derivative is 1 upon x plus 2 ln x, plus 1 plus 2 ln x, derivative of x, which is 1. So x into 2 into 1 upon x, this x must be multiply u times derivative of v plus v time derivative of u. So x multiplied by x, x cancel by x, answer is 2 plus 1 plus 2 ln x, or 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 ln x. Now satisfy this value by the value of x. Stationary value of x. This is the correct sentence. X is equals to E minus half. So 3 plus 2 ln E. E is minus half. 3 plus 2 ln and E cancel, minus half. Kindly wait. So ln and E cancel, minus 1 upon 2. 2 cancel by 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 is greater than 0. Hence e power minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 e power minus 1 is minimum. Very interesting part. Move to part G. Part G. Part G is y is equals to ln x upon x square. First we have to find dy by dx. Obviously we have to use the quotient rule, that is u upon v formula. So v square, v as it is, derivative of ln x, minus u as it is, derivative of x square, which is 2x. So dy by dx, x cancel by its square, x, minus 2x ln x upon x square, 2 square is x4. Replace dy by dx by 0. X minus 2x ln x upon x4. This x4 multiply by, before I multiply, it is better to take common x. So it is 1 minus 2 ln x, x4, x cancel by its square. 0 is equals to 1 minus 2 ln x. This x cube must be multiplied by 0, so it is 0. Now 2 ln x is equals to 1. Ln x is equals to 1 upon 2. Taking ln on both, taking e on both sides. So e ln x is equals to e 1 upon 2. Ln and e cancel, x is equals to 1 upon 2. I am checking again. Kindly wait. I am finding is there any mistake or not, because the answer in the book is root e. Maybe I am wrong, so I am checking. Yes, sorry, 100% correct. The answer in the book is root e, and e power half is root e. Sorry for this. Sometime it happens, especially with me. Uh, Sorry for this. Nothing else. Now x is equals to e. Now taking question again, y is equals to ln x upon x square. So y is equals to ln x. X is e half upon x square. E half square. So y is equals to ln and e cancel, half upon e, 2 cancel by 2, e1, or you may write it y is equals to half e minus 1. Hence stationary point is x is root e, comma, y is half e minus 1. This is our stationary point. Now we have to find the nature of these stationary points. Taking dy by dx x minus 2x ln x upon x4, dy by dx, taking x is common, 1 minus 2 ln x upon x4, x cancel by 4, 1 minus 2 ln x upon x cube. Now it's a time to find the second derivative. Again we will use u upon v formula. D square y by dx square is equals to v square, v as it is, derivative of 1 minus 2 ln x, one derivative is 0, 2 ln x is 1 upon x, minus u as it is, derivative of x cube is 3x square. No need to simplify this because we have the value of x in stationary point is e power half. So x power cube is e power half cube. 0 is nothing, minus 2 upon x, x is e power half, minus 1 minus 2 ln x, e power half, dot 3x square, e power half square, upon x 3 to the 6, x is e half, and 3 to the 6. Next step, e power half into 3 is 3 upon 2, minus 2 upon e half, minus 1 minus ln and e cancel, 2 into half is 1, dot 3, 2 cancel by 2, e1, upon 2 3 is 6 e cube is equals to e power 3 upon 2, and this power 1 upon 2 should be subtract power rule of indices minus 2 minus 1 cancel by 1 0 0 multiplied by something is 0 upon e3 is equals to 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 upon 2 is 1. So e power 1 into minus 2 upon e power 3 minus 2 upon e power 1 cancel by its square e square, and obviously this should be negative, less than 0. Hence root e comma 1 upon 2 e power minus 1 is maximum. This is our final answer of part G. Move to last part H. This is part H. Y is equals to ln x square plus 1 upon x square plus 1. So for dy by dx we must apply the quotient rule, which is x square plus 1 v square, v as it is, derivative of ln x square plus 1 is 1 upon x square plus 1 into derivative of x square plus 1, which is 2x. Minus ln x square plus 1 into derivative of x square plus 1, which is 2x. Cancel this x square plus 1 by this x square. So 2x 1 are 2x minus 2x ln x square plus 1 upon x square plus 1 whole square. Now replace dy by dx by 0. And taking 2x from the numerator, 1 minus ln x square plus 1 upon x square plus 1 whole square. This x square plus 1 whole square must be multiplied by 0. So it is 0. Therefore 2x 1 minus ln x square plus 1 is equals to 0. This implies that 2x is equals to 0. 1 minus ln x square plus 1 is equals to 0. So first value of x 0, because 0 upon 2 is 0, and for second value shift this minus ln x square plus 1 on other side. Taking e on both sides, e1 e power ln x square plus 1 ln and e cancel, x square plus 1. E power 1 minus 1 is equals to x square. Taking square root on both sides, it should be plus minus e 1 minus 1 square root. So we have three values of x. X is equals to 0, x is equals to minus e minus 1, no need to write e power 1 because it is obvious, and x is equals to plus e minus 1 root. Now we have to find three values of y. Write the question again. Y is equals to ln x square plus 1 upon x square plus 1. I will check again. Yes, x square plus 1 upon x square plus 1. Yes. Put all the values of x one by one. First, we have to put x is equals to 0. Y is equals to ln 0 square plus 1 upon 0 square plus 1. So ln 0 plus 1 is ln 1 upon 0 plus 1.
Lock the door.
0 plus 1 is 1. And you know ln 1 is 0. So first stationary point is when x is 0, then y is 0. Write down the question again. Y is equals to ln x square plus 1 upon x square plus 1. This time I am taking minus e minus 1 root. Okay. So y is equals to ln x is minus e minus 1 root whole square plus 1 upon minus e minus 1 root whole square plus 1. Now y is equals to ln minus square plus square and root cancel, e minus 1 plus 1 upon minus square is plus 1, square and root cancel, e minus 1 plus 1. Y is equals to ln 1 cancel by 1 ln e, 1 cancel by minus 1 is e, ln e is cancel, 1 upon e, 1 upon e can be write is e power minus 1. Hence second stationary point is minus e minus 1 root comma e minus 1. Now find the third stationary point. Question is little bit lengthy but very easy. Write the question again. Ln x square plus 1 upon x square plus 1. The third value of x is equals to e minus 1 root. E minus 1 root. Y is equals to ln e minus 1 root square plus 1 upon e minus 1 root square plus 1. Square and root cancel. Ln e minus 1 plus 1 upon square and root cancel. E minus 1 plus 1. 1 cancel by 1. Ln 1 cancel by 1. E upon e. Ln and e cancel. 1 upon e. 1 upon e is e power minus 1. Hence, third stationary point is e minus 1 root comma e minus 1. Now we have three stationary points. One is minus e minus 1 root comma e minus 1. The second one is we have find 0 0, and the third one is e minus 1 e minus 1. So these are three stationary points. Little bit lengthy but very easy. Now we have to find the nature of these stationary points. In order to find the nature, we must write the derivative. That is, what we find dy by dx, kindly check. This is our dy by dx. So I am writing this dy by dx very important question according to examination point of view, and very knowledgeable as well. So our dy by dx was 2x 1 minus ln x square plus 1 upon x square plus 1 whole square. Now it's a time to find the double derivative. In order to find the double derivative, we have to use u upon v formula. So v square v as it is into derivative of u. So 2x x into 1 minus ln x square plus 1. For this we have to use u into v formula. So I am taking 2 is outside, x dot derivative of 1 minus ln x square plus 1 is 1 derivative is 0 minus ln x square plus 1 is 1 upon x square plus 1 dot x square plus 1 derivative is 2x. So this is plus ln x square plus 1 dot derivative of x is 1. So this is the derivative of u. So v square derivative of u minus u minus u is 2x 1 minus ln x square plus 1 into derivative of v x square plus 1 power whole square derivative, that is 2 x square plus 1 into 2x. Now little bit simplify it and then satisfy it by the given values. So x square plus 1 into 2 into x, 2x into 0 is 0, 2 into x is 2x. Okay, I am not satisfied, I am not simplifying, I am just directly putting all values of x in the given answer of second derivative. So first I am taking x is equals to I am taking first value of x, that is minus e minus 1 root is equals to x square plus 1 minus e minus 1 root whole square into 2 2 into x, 2x into 2x is minus 4x, so minus 4 into minus e minus 1 root upon x square plus 1, so minus e minus 1 root whole square plus, sorry, this should be ln x square. So ln x is minus e minus 1 root whole square, bracket close, two x into 2 4, 4 to the 8, 8x square, x is minus e minus 1 whole square, 1 minus ln minus e minus 1 whole square plus 1, and whole upon is x square plus 1 minus e minus 1 root plus 1 and power 2 to the 4. Now check, minus square is plus, square and root cancel, e minus 1 minus 4 into minus plus 4, square and root cancel, e minus 1 plus ln square and root cancel, e minus 1 minus 8 square and root cancel, so minus 8 e minus 1, 1 minus ln square root, square and root cancel, e minus 1 plus 1. Upon sorry, I forgot to write e square. So e minus 1 plus 1 whole square. E minus 1 cancel by e minus 1, 4. Sorry, I forgot to put plus 1 over here. So there should be plus 1 over here. So 1 and 1 cancel, ln e is 1. 8 e minus 1. 1 and 1 cancel, ln e is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Upon 1 and 1 cancel, e square. So 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So the whole answer is 0 upon e square. Answer is positive, but the answer in the book is maximum. So there should be a mistake. Kindly find my mistake from yourself. Okay, the answer in the book is minus e minus 1. E minus 1 is maximum. So this is wrong. Kindly find my mistake in order to check all steps again. Similarly, the second one, that is 0 0, is minimum. The third one, e minus 1 comma e minus 1, is maximum. Kindly check yourself. Thank you very much. I do all parts, this is my habit. So sometime students are more reliable to check the answers or check the values. So this is last part, part H. Today we have finished question number 11. Almost all parts are very lengthy but very easy. So these are very important parts. Kindly do practice more and more and more. And if you have any problem, any query, write in comment box. I will help you. Kindly do subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos, you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos as many as you can. Okay students, good luck for next lecture.